టాటాలో మాత్రమే చూడండి అన్నిటికంటే ఎక్కువ టీవీ ఛానల్స్. Hey Anand, I heard that you've got a package of 42 LPA in our office and you just have a work experience of 3 years. How is that possible, man? It's simple. I just changed my field. From India, what I do is so much.
Good morning, Thanika.
Morning, sir.
Did you try yesterday's sum?
No, sir, I couldn't. I couldn't make the.
Try? Did you try? It seems to be difficult. Not so difficult.
My schedule for today was all packed up, so I had all 4 classes, so I couldn't make up the questions. But move on, sir. I'll do those questions after the class, and if I have any doubts, I'll ask you in the next class.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so we can move on from those questions.
Your quiz or something like that?
Yeah, I did my first quiz yesterday, sir. I have another one.
Okay.
Coming up.
Right now, after a few minutes.
After the class, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. This has 3 parts.
A grain solo.
It's completed, right?
Grains is built from 2 right circular cones and right cylinder.
Yeah.
Repeated.
2 cones and a right circular cylinder. First, let us this area of this part. What is asked actually, which is the closest to the volume? Volume is asked. So, volume of right circular cylinder formula pi r square h. R is radius. Yeah, radius is given as 5 feet.
Yes.
5 feet. So, pi times r square means 5 square. H means it is called h, 10 feet.
Yes.
5 square 25, 25 times 250, 250 pi.
250 pi.
Now, it is cone. Area of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Area of cone is 1/3 pi r square h.
Yes, sir.
1/3 pi r square is 25. H is 5 only. H is only 5 feet height. Yeah, same. This also same. 1/3 pi into 25 times pi. 25 times 5. So
yes,
we need to add we need to just add all these. This is 250 pi and 1/3 20 into 5 pi. 1/3, sorry, not 20, 25. 1/3 25 times pi. When we add them all, see it is 250 pi.
Yes, sir.
Plus both are same. So we just write 2. Instead of 1 by 3, 1 over 3, it is 2 over 3. 2
yes.
over 3,
5
25
times.
times 5. Now, what is common in these two terms? Pi is common. Apart from that, it is 25. 5s are 25. 5s are 125.
125, yes.
It also has 125. It is 125 times 2. So we can take 125 pi common.
Yes.
How many times that 125 goes in 250?
50, sir?
250. 250. In 250, 125 goes 2 times. 2 150s are 250 only. What is 2 times of 125?
250, sir.
2 times of 125. What is 2 times of 125?
250, sir?
Yes. So in 250, if we take 125 pi common, how many times that 125 pi goes in 250 pi?
2 times.
Yeah, 2 times. Plus 125 into 5, sorry, 25 into 5, 125. 125 pi is taken common.
Oh, 1, sir.
No, not 1. 2 by 3. 2 over 3 only. This is common. 125 times pi is taken common.
Yeah.
Now it is equal to 125 pi. Its value 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 over 3. Okay. Now we have to simplify this. Can you find its simplified value? 125 pi times 8 by 3. We can take pi. Yeah. Yeah. You can simplify. Nearest value is asked, not exact value. Nearest value is asked because pi has no exact value. Since pi has no exact value, nearest value is asked.
So it's 1471.7, option D, sir.
Yes, very good. 1447 point something.
Yeah.
It's approximate value. Why it is approximate value? Because pi has no exact value. Option D is correct. Got it clearly?
Yes.
It's completed yesterday. It's already completed. Yeah. While giving homework, we just done this.
Yes.
The circle above with center O has a circumference 36. What is the length of minor arc AC? So
36.
Yeah, circumference is 36.
Yeah, so the minor arc of AC will also be 36. No?
Circumference, minor arc, both are same. First of all, we need to know the value of radius. We don't know radius here, right?
Oh, they're saying the entire circumference. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Circumference is 36. Circumference 36 means circumference of a circle formula 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 36. Then 2 pi r is equal to 36. Then r is equal to 36 over 2 pi.
Yes, sir. 5.14 pi.
18 by pi. 18 over pi. R is equal to 18 over pi.
Over pi.
Now clearly it is mentioned its angle 90 degrees. You know this symbol, meaning of this symbol. What's the meaning of this symbol? This type of indication?
90 degrees.
Yes, 90 degrees. So there are two parts. This is arc AC.
Yes, sir.
This is minor arc AC. This is minor arc AC.
Yes.
And you come to know if it is major arc AC. If major arc AC is asked, we have to take that angle as 270 degrees.
Yes.
Arc AC means there are two types of arc AC here. Minor arc AC angle is 90 degrees. The angle of minor arc AC is 90 degrees. If the angle of major arc AC is asked, it is 90 plus 90 plus 90, it is 270 degrees. What is asked in this question? Minor arc AC is asked or major arc AC is asked?
Understood. 90 degrees.
Minor arc AC is asked. So that's why angle x degrees is equal to 90 degrees only.
Yes, sir.
So what is asked? What is the length of? Length of means this formula, length of arc formula, x degrees by 360 degrees into 2 pi r.
Times 2 pi r. Yes, sir.
Or just 1/4. Since x is equal to 9 degrees into 2 pi r. X degrees means 90 degrees. 90 degrees by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. R means it is r. What is r? What should be written in the place of r?
36, sorry, 18 by
18
pi.
over pi. Pi cancel.
360 and 91 over 4.
Yeah, 4 90s are 360. 2 goes 4 times. This 2 goes 9 times. Finally, after cancellation, we left with 9 only.
9, sir.
9 units. That's it. Option?
Sir, option is. Option A is.
It's about circle. It's about circle. When will you complete all our quizzes?
So it will be
not now. It continues process.
Process.
Yeah. Okay. Right. X minus 6 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square is equal to 16. In the xy plane, the graph of the equation above is a circle. Previously, we discussed the equation of a circle, right? See, do you know midpoint formula?
Yes,
to understand this question, we need the knowledge of
midpoint
of circle. Yeah, midpoint formula.
Oh, x1 plus x2 by 2.
Very good. That's right.
y2 by 2.
Yes, very good. And also we should have the knowledge of equation of circle.
X square plus y square plus 2gx minus 2f.
X plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That is standard equation of a circle.
Yes.
Yes, that also correct. So there are two formats to represent a circle. One format is, as you said, it is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That is one format. Yes. Another format is x minus h whole square.
Y minus k.
Right. Y minus k whole square. Is it ready? Is it handy with you?
The formula, sir?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Yeah. You told it from your mind only, not from your book.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm writing.
Right. See, it's the basic formula, standard formula. See, it is a center h comma k.
Yes.
Sorry, h comma k, center h comma k. And radius r, center h comma k. It is center h comma k. And radius r, this is radius. It is circle. Radius means distance from center to circle, circumference, right? This is R. If center is h comma k and radius is r, then equation of this circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. If the equation of circle is already in this format, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, we need not do much work to find its center and radius, because in the given sum it is given as x minus x whole square plus y plus k whole square is equal to 4 square. It's already directly in the form of circle, basic formula.
Yes, sir.
So this means x minus x whole square
plus y
plus
minus of
y minus of minus 5
whole square
minus of minus 5 whole square is equal to 4 square. We can write 16 as 4 square, right? What is h and what is k and what is r here?
Okay. H is 6, sir. K is -5. R is 4.
Very good. Center of the circle is 6 comma -5. Radius is
4, sir.
4, right? Now what is asked actually? Point P is on the circle. See, if we take a circle, yeah, point P is on the circle. It is point P and has coordinates 10 comma -5. So coordinates of this point are 10 comma -5. If you pick Q bar, that means it is a line segment. PQ bar is a diameter. So it is diameter. Keep the point. The diameter always passes through the center.
Yes.
Diameter always passes through center. Here PQ bar is diameter. It is PQ bar. PQ bar is diameter of the circle. What are the coordinates of Q? Q coordinates are asked. And as we know, center coordinates are, this is the center. Center coordinates are 6 comma -5. Right? And we need to find the coordinates of Q. Let the coordinates of Q can be taken alpha comma beta or something like P comma Q or A comma B, something, anything, right?
So we use midpoint formula to find.
Use midpoint formula and equate that result to center C, 6 comma -5. Use midpoint formula, alpha plus 10 over 2 comma beta minus 5 over 2. It is midpoint. This is equal to 6 over -5. The first value is equal to 6 and the second value equal to -5. The first value, alpha plus 10 over 2 is equal to 6.
So it's 2.
Alpha plus 10 is equal to 12. Alpha is equal to 2 only, right?
Yes.
It is 2. And what about beta? Equate the second term to -5.
That's
beta minus 5 is equal to -10.
Negative B. Sorry, -5.
Yeah. Beta is equal to -10 positive 5. Equal to -5. So beta is -5.
Yes. And 1.
So the coordinates of Q are?
Option A, sir.
Option A, 2 comma -5.
-5.
Got it? Clearly?
Yes, sir.
I asked you to do this sum as homework.
Yes, I'll do it, sir.
Yeah, answer?
No, I'll do it, sir. I'll do it after.
No problem, no problem. Let's do it right now. Simple, of course.
Glass shape of right square prism is shown. The base of the sculpture outer shape is a square of side length 2 inches. The sculpture has a hollow core that is also in the shape of right circle prism. The glass is
it is
the volume in elements of the glass.
Cuboid in a cuboid. You know, this shape is called cuboid.
Yes, sir. 3D rectangle. Yes, sir.
Yeah. It's a cuboid, right?
Yes.
There is another cuboid. Right. The thickness is 1/4 inches.
Yes.
Okay. See, a glass sculpture in the shape of a right square prism here. Right square prism means base and top are in the shape of square. Base and top are square shape. Square shape means four sides need not be given. One side is enough. See, it is 2 inches. So this also 2 inches. Right. Now let us find the volume. What is the volume? Volume is asked, right?
Yes.
Now let us find the volume of outer square, outer cuboid. Measurements of outer cuboid are what's the formula? What is the formula of volume of cuboid? Volume
Length.
of cuboid is equal
2 into length into breadth.
No. Just LBH.
Oh,
length
yes.
into breadth into height. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Length is given as 5 inches. Breadth is 2 inches and sorry. First, let us take a length is 2 inches, breadth is 2 inches, height is 5 inches.
20. Volume is 20.
Yeah, 20 cubic inches. It is the volume of outer cuboid.
Yes.
But inner cuboid is there. Inner cuboid length. Let's find the inner cuboid length. Actually, outer cuboid length is 2 inches. For this 2 inches, one side is cut 1/4 inch. This part, this gap. And this type of SC, this is outer length. It is 2 inches. This is inner length.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell the inner length? For inner length, yeah,
inch.
this is this part and this part is cut as thickness. This is 1/4 inches.
Yes, sir.
So out of 2 inches, one side 1/4 inch and another side 1/4 inch is cut. It is 2 units.
Yes.
From this 2 units, the inner length is this is inner length.
Yes.
Yeah. Can we find the length, inner length? Outer length is 2 inches. Outer length is 2 inches. Inner length, for inner length, we need to subtract 1/4. One side 1/4, another side 1/4.
So 2 minus.
Yeah, 2 minus 2 times of 1/4. 2 minus 2 times of 1/4, right? 2 times of 1/4 is nothing but 1/2. 2 minus half. What is 2 minus half? Yeah, 3/2. It is length. And it is a square prism. Square prism means top and bottom are in shape of square. That means length and breadth are equal.
Yes.
So length is 3/2 and breadth also 3/2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Height same. There is no difference in height.
Yes, sir. 10. Sir.
Yeah. Let's find inner volume. Inner volume. A glass sculpture in the shape of a right. Yeah. The base of the sculpture's outer shape. Yeah. The base of the sculpture's outer shape is square of side length 2 inches. Okay. The sculpture has a hollow core that is also in the shape of a right square prism, right? Hollow square, right? The glass in the sculpture is 144 inches thickness, right? The height of the both glasses, the height of both the glass and the hollow core is 5 inches. It's very important for us. The crucial point in this question is the crucial point of this question is the height of both the glass and the hollow core is 5 inches.
Yes.
If this point is given, we may be confused. See, 1/4 inches is cut from one side and another 1/4 inches is cut from another side for length and breadth also, right? What about height? See, height is given, see, and the height, both height is 5 inches.
Yes.
Both height is 5 inches means in case of height, this 1/4 inches is not cut because it's clearly given both are 5 inches. This
Yes.
is height of outer prism. This is how height of outer prism, and it is clearly mentioned that height of inner prism also 5 inches. So we need not do this type of subtraction or this type of calculation in case of height only.
Yes.
Because in the problem it is mentioned that both glass and the hollow core is 5 inches only.
Yes.
That means there is no cut in height.
Yes.
Right. So inner volume formula L into B into H. L is 3/2 and B is also 3/2. Height is 5. Its value 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45.
45 over 4.
Yeah. What is 45 over 4? 11 4s are 44.
11.5.
11.25. So it is outer volume and it is inner volume.
45.
Outer volume minus inner volume. So we need the volume of that metal. Its formula outer minus inner.
Yes. So
Outer
it's 20 minus 11.
20 minus
11.25.
Yeah. What is its value?
Sir, the options confuses. It's 8.75.
Yes, 8.75. 8.75 cubic inches.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
We have similar question. You know, there is some diagram is given in this part also. Yeah, please tell what's the purpose of this additional diagram apart from that question. This additional diagram is given.
So is it like a group? They're asking us to take it
That
off
means,
or something?
yeah, first let me clarify. There is no difference in the calculations of length and breadth.
Okay.
Yeah, this is same kind of calculation, right?
Yes.
So for inner prism, there is no difference in the previous calculations. In the previous question, it is clearly mentioned that both the glass and core glass have same height. But here you can see it is height of outer prism is 5 inches only. There is no doubt in it. So there is no change in the calculation of volume of outer prism, right?
Yes.
First tell volume of outer prism.
20 inches. Sir.
Yeah, clearly 20 inches. There is no change in calculation. 20 cubic inches. Now let us come to the inner prism. As we know, length is previously, as we calculated previously, length and breadth both are equal to 3/2 inches, right?
But yes.
Now it is about height. See, it is clearly mentioned that 1 inch is subtracted. 1 inch is subtracted. See, this is the thickness here. The thickness is of inch. You can see some bottles, water bottles, right?
Yes.
Not water bottles, some drink bottles or something like that. The thickness at the top maybe something, some measurement. The thickness has some measurement. But have you ever seen soda, goli soda?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, goli soda thickness is more at the bottom.
Bottom, yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, that means that's why it is 1/4 inches. This thickness.
Yes.
It is thickness 1/4, but it is not 1/4. Here, this thickness is different. This
Yes.
thickness is given as 1 inch.
Yes.
It is 1 inch. But see, this type of diagram is given for the bottom only.
Yes.
This type of diagram is not given for the top.
Yes.
You can see height. See, this is both are that means brim is same.
Yes.
Brim is same. There is no cut in brim height, right?
Yes.
5 inches, 5 inches only. But we have to cut 1 inch instead of 1/4 inch. 1 inch only cut.
Yes.
So what is the height of inner prism? How much is subtracted from 5 inches?
1, sir.
1 only subtract. 1 is cut. Okay. Volume of inner prism. Is equal. Yeah. Length into breadth into height. Length is 3 by 3 over 2.
By 2
Breadth
times
is
4,
3
sir.
over 2. Height is
4, sir.
yes, very good. 4 only. So have you understood this diagram?
18 by 2.
Have you understood
Yes,
this
sir.
diagram?
Is it options?
Yes.
Yes,
2,
sir.
2, 4, right. It's 9 only.
20.
Yeah. Required volume. Outer volume minus inner volume. 20 minus 9 equal to 11.
Option D, 11.
Option D.
Option D.
Right. I think that this question is established or created out of the previous question.
Yes. Thanks.
Yeah. What's the measure in radius of angle AOB? AOB is asked. How much? Do you know how to convert angles into pies? 1 second. Do you know how to convert degrees into radians?
Yes, sir. Is it? It's similar, no, sir.
Yeah.
Instead of, we can just say pi by x equals to and so angle.
What is 90 degrees in radians? That method of measurement is called radians. What is 90 degrees in radians? 90 degrees is equal to how many radians?
Sir, 2, sir?
Yeah, pi by 2, pi over 2.
Yes, sir. Pi by 2, yeah. X is pi.
Yeah, do remember that it is multiplied by pi over 180.
Yes, sir.
To convert degrees into radians, just multiply it pi over 180. For example, if you want to convert 90 degrees, this 90 degrees
times
is
pi
equal,
over 1.
yeah, 90 times pi over 180 because pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So it is pi over 2. What is 60 degrees?
So pi by 3?
Yeah, 60 times pi over 180. 60 goes 3 times. Right?
Yes, sir.
60 degrees is equal to pi over 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you see what is asked actually, it is A, point A, and it is 90 degrees, it is y-axis, it is x-axis, and we know this angle is 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
And this is, we should know this value, right?
Yes, sir.
How to find? Coordinates of B are negative root 2 and positive root 2.
Yes, sir.
This is negative root 2 and positive root 2.
Yes, sir.
From this, we should understand this angle. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. In this case, we need to use the concept of slope. The relation between slope and inclination. Inclination means angle.
The answer can be B, sir. We can cross B now, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell this angle?
I think so, sir. 1 second.
Yeah, to tell that value, we need to find its slope.
135.
Slope is equal to tan theta.
So we can eliminate option B and D, sir.
Yes. B is eliminated, right? Okay.
And D also, sir, because the angle cannot be more than 180 degrees, sir.
That's good. It is wrong. It is wrong, right?
It's wrong.
And also pi by 4. Now, pi by 4 is also eliminated. Pi by 4 means in the first quadrant only.
Pi by 4 45. Yeah, sir. So
Yeah,
we
right.
did that.
Only 3 pi by 4 is there.
Yes, sir. 135 degrees.
But what is the reason to say 3 pi by 4? See, we know slope is equal to tan theta, right?
Yes, sir. But I thought that it should be more than 180 degrees and less than. Sorry, it should be more than 90, less than 180 degrees.
That's good. Your analysis is excellent. I'm telling you the tangents of angles. Tan 0 degrees. 0.
Is it?
Tan 30 degrees.
1 by 3.
1 over root 3.
Root 3. Yes.
Tan 45 degrees.
1, sir.
Tan 60 degrees.
Root 3.
Tan 90 degrees.
Undefined.
Very good. And there is an extension for it also. I'm telling you, and I will teach you how to calculate these values also. Tan 120 degrees, negative root 3 by 2. Tan 135 degrees, negative 1. Tan 150 degrees, negative 1 over 2. Tan 180 degrees, 0. This process continues till 360 degrees. We should have the discussion how to find these values, right?
Yes.
In this problem, we need up to tan 180 degrees only.
Yes.
Yeah, as we know, slope is equal to tan theta, and there is another formula to find the slope of a line, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1.
Yes.
Here, coordinates of B are given as root 2, negative root 2, comma root 2, right?
Yes, sir.
And another end of that line is, one end of that line is B, another end of that line is O.
Yes, sir.
O coordinates are 0, 0.
Yes, sir.
We can consider 0, 0 as x1, y1.
Yes.
This is x2, y2. Find slope. How to find slope? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, right?
Yes, sir.
Root 2 minus 0 by root 2 minus 0. Root 2 minus 0 is root 2. Sorry. This is x2. x2 is negative root 2. Yeah, root 2 by negative root 2. Is
Negative 1.
Negative 1, right? Among these values, which is negative 1? Among these values, which is negative 1?
Tan 135 degrees.
Yeah, tan 135 degrees is equal to negative 1.
Negative 1, yes.
So what theta must be 135 degrees.
35 degrees.
Convert this 135 degrees into radians.
3 pi.
Pi
Yes.
table goes 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. 2, 3 5s are 15, 6 5s are 10. 6 5s are? Yes. 6 5s are 30. Now in 27 and 36, which table goes in 27 and 36?
3, sir.
9 table.
9 table.
Of course, 3 table. 9 table is better.
Yeah.
3 9s are 27.
And 4s are 36.
Yes. The answer is 3 pi over 4.
Yes, sir.
That's why it is 3 pi over 4.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
In tomorrow itself only we will discuss how to find these values.
Yes.
In the complex number system, which of the following is equal to 1 plus I over 1 minus I? Yeah, I could see one question from complex numbers in your SAT question paper.
Yes, sir.
Right. And the basic point is I is equal to I or iota. Iota is equal to negative root minus 1. When we squaring this number, it is I square. Iota square is equal to negative 1.
Negative 1, yes.
Yeah. See 1 plus iota by 1 minus iota. Multiply numerator and denominator as with 1 plus I by 1 plus I. Right? Yeah, the numerator is in the form of a plus b whole square.
Yes, sir.
1 plus I whole square. Denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b.
A square minus b square.
That means 1 square minus I square. Use a plus b whole square formula for the numerator. What is a plus b whole square formula?
The answer option A, I.
Yes. Correct only. How did you do?
Sir, I was so instead of doing that numerator that way, I just use the distributive property, and then down I use the a square minus b square.
Okay,
and
okay.
then we'll get
that means you multiplied.
Yes, sir. And then we'll get 1 plus 2i minus 1
Yes,
by 1 plus 1.
That's good. That's good.
So
1 plus 2i minus 1 by
1 plus 1.
1 plus 1, right? Correct only.
So 1 and negative 1 gets cancelled. And then 2i
over 2.
Over 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled to be 1. So it's I.
Very good. It is I. That's good. It's very simple.
This is APB function.
Seems to be simple, but there is some calculation. It involves some calculation.
Larger than the measure of DPB. So APC equals 81 plus X.
Theta. Let it be theta. And DPB, right?
Equals X degrees.
It is 81 degrees more than the measure of DPB. DPB. It is DPB.
Of angles of angle CPB.
Let this be theta.
Yes, sir.
Then this is
81 plus theta.
Yes. And it also given that angle DPC.
PD is also same.
CPD. And CPD and DPD both are same. So we can take it as theta also.
3x equals 180 degrees minus 81. 3x equals.
Why 3x? The total angle, this is 180 degrees, right?
Yes, sir. So is the answer 33 degrees?
No. But yeah, theta is 30, theta is equal to 30 degrees, correct result. But not correct answer. Theta is equal to 30 degrees, correct answer.
Oh,
correct result. What is asked? Actually, CPB is asked.
66.
So, yes, this is correct. CPB is asked. That means double of theta. This is 2 theta.
Yes,
Very good. 66 degree correct only. Very good. Yes.
I think this is he first draws a square and then
It's
adds
just like a puzzle.
He first
Puzzle
draws a
type
square
puzzle.
and then adds the line for each of two diagonals. He asks his friends to draw the circle that has the most intersections possible. Two diagonals. Then draws the square. Then adds the line for each. So each of the two diagonals like that inside the circle, he crosses it. So he makes a square and then crosses it.
Let me give you the clue.
A
student creates a challenge for his friend. He first draws a square. So he drew a square. He drew a square. It is a square. Right?
Yes.
And adds the line for each two diagonals. That means this is one diagonal.
Okay.
This is another diagonal.
Yes, sir.
And he challenged his friend to draw circles. Suppose if his friend drew a circle like this, if his friend draws a circle like this, how many point of intersections are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, sir.
Right. If his friend draws a circle like this, how many intersections are there?
0, sir.
0. In that case, how should he draw to get maximum number of intersections? Maximum number of intersections is needed.
So is it 4? Just 4, sir? Either way.
4 only.
I think.
What happens if we keep increasing? Sorry, the radius. Now also.
Then also be 4,
now also
sir.
4, right? And
yes,
you may think that in this case also 4.
Yes, sir. I tried in between also, sir, but it didn't work.
See. Now tell how many intersections are there?
Sir, will that be possible, sir? Like, is it considered?
Yeah, it's possible. The radius must be less than this. This is the radius.
8, sir.
If it is the radius, if the radius is till this vertex, it has only 4. Now count the number of intersections. 1,
8.
2, 3.
3 times 4, 12, sir.
Yeah, 3. These are 3. These are 3. These are 3. These are 3. Total number of intersections are
12, sir.
Yes. Clear?
Yes.
Supplementary. You know what are supplementary angles and what are complementary angles? Supplementary means sum of those angles is 180 degrees.
Degrees, yeah. Complementary is 190 degrees.
Yes, complementary angles is sum 90 degrees. Supplementary angles is sum 180 degrees. Which number is added to 40 minus 10x to make it 180 degrees?
40 minus 10 degrees, 10x plus x equals 180 degrees, sir?
Yeah, what is to be added to 40 minus 10x to get 180 degrees?
So is it 40 minus 10x plus x equals 180 degrees and we solve for x?
No, instead of x, take y. to make the difference.
Okay. 40 minus 10x plus y equals 180 degrees.
Yes, 40 minus 10x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Yes, you are right. Solve for y.
So, but we don't know the value of x, no, sir. Two unknowns.
Not necessary.
So, for
Y is
minus
equal
plus y equals
180 degrees minus
degree
40
minus 40
plus 10x. Minus 10 plus minus 10x will become plus 10x.
Yes, sir. Y equals 140 plus 10x. Y equals 10, 14 plus x. So is it option 3, 140 plus 10x?
Yes, 140 plus 10x, option 3, correct only.
What is the value of x? Y 80, sir. X is 80, sir.
Y is 80, x also 80. Very good. Correct only. Yeah, these are the questions. Next, we have class on direction cosines, DCs and DRs.
Oh, what, sir?
DCs and DRs, direction cosines and direction ratios. It's about 3D geometry. Have you ever come across the concept of three-dimensional geometry?
What is that, sir?
Three-dimensional geometry. In 2D geometry, we have the distance. What is distance formula in 2D geometry?
So root of
x2 minus x1 whole square plus
y2 minus 1 whole square.
Yeah, in three-dimensional geometry, z2 minus z1 whole square is also there. x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 whole square. Simply, I am telling in room, in air, in room it is 3D, and only on wall is 2D. Wall is 2D. Space in the room is 3D.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have the calculations regarding the distance between 2 points. See, the distance between 2 points on the paper is 2D.
Yes, sir.
The distance between 2 points in the air, in the space,
yes, sir,
that is to be measured by using the formula the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and see, circle is 2D.
Yes, sir.
Sphere is 3D. Sphere is 3D.
Yes.
And the square is 2D.
Sir.
And the cube is 3D.
3D. Yes.
Like that. And a triangle is 2D. Cone is 3D.
Yes.
Yeah. Still you are using that pens, not completed.
Oh,
yes.
no, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Right.
I am not using American pen.
Why? Which are good?
Sir, the grip, I don't have the grip for my hands, sir. Even American pens are good, but I don't have the grip. I'm so used to the Indian pens that I can't use other pens.
Okay. I think if you need, you can get them by Amazon also.
I think so, sir. I don't know.
But
have enough.
Can it be shown in American site dot? Yeah, Indian Amazon it is .in.
Yes, sir. Here .com.
.com is universal, I think.
No, sir. For Indian Amazon, it's Amazon.in, and for US, it's Amazon.com.
Yeah, because it's a birthplace of. Yeah, right. Okay. Right. Yeah, whenever you have time, you may participate in next 3D class. That is 3D class, right? Questions are like this.
Yes, sir.
Previous questions are like this.
Oh, yes, sir.
It is scanning mistake having this type of curvy lines. The angle between any two diagonals of a cube and the angle made by this straight line with the x, y, z axis is also there. In 2D, we have only two axes, x axis and y axis. And 3D
Yes.
has also z axis.
Yes, sir.
Physicists and Einstein, some persons, fourth dimension.
Oh, yes. So, but I heard people who are talking about fourth dimension are missing.
Yeah, fourth dimension. See, three dimensions are x, y, z. Fourth dimension is moving in the time.
Yes.
Moving, yeah. Time is taken as fourth dimension from by physicists. Physicists take fourth dimension as time. Time is fourth dimension, and
Yes.
some um, some feel that goddesses are in fourth dimension. That means they can move to and fro in the time also. And you can see there is a formula to create time machine in the book Zero. Generally, I do discuss about the concepts in that book. In that book, there is a formula to create time machine.
Create time machines.
Time machine, yeah. The main essential point requirement to create time machine is we need to create a vehicle which travels in the speed of 90%, at least 90% of time velocity. Time velocity is 180,000 miles per hour. At least 90% of it means that vehicle should travel minimum 150,000 miles per hour. Sorry, 150,000 miles per second. Per second, it has to travel 150,000 miles per second. If we are able to create that vehicle, we can create time machine. But that time machine has some limits. It can move only 47 years to and fro.
So, like 47 back and 47.
Yes, that only. Yeah, and you can you watch? Did you watch Interstellar?
And I don't know the story, so I didn't watch the movie.
Yeah, I recommend you to watch it. It is available in Amazon also, Amazon Prime also. Yeah, it's very interesting.
It's about the future, no, sorry.
Yeah, it's about science moving to and fro from science. Okay,
yes.
Right. Okay, thank you, Tanika. We can meet tomorrow for